class 12 at Rashtriya Public School. In the previous video, in our previous class, we have discussed the definition of the matrix, some types of the matrix, and addition of the matrix and subtraction of the matrix. In this class, we discussed about multiplication of the matrix by a scalar quantity. We know that the scalar quantity is that quantity which has no direction, means in the mathematics the scalar quantity is denoted by any real number, any natural number, any rational or irrational number, something. Now we have to multiply with the matrix by any scalar quantity, means any number. Suppose that a matrix is given and any scalar quantity is also given, then we can multiply the scalar quantity with matrix. Suppose that a given matrix A is given. Matrix A is given that its elements are -2, 0 and +2. 2, 1, 2, -1. This is a matrix of 2 by 3, means it has 2 rows and 3 columns, and K is a scalar quantity. Now we can multiply the matrix by K. Therefore, Ka can exist, and Ka is equal to K into -2, 0, 2, 1, 2 and -1. In this multiplication, the K can multiply with all the elements which it offers in the matrix. Means K multiplied with -2, K multiplied with 0, K multiplied with 2, K multiplied with 1, K multiplied with 2, and similarly 2K and -1. Hence, this result can found that -2K, K into 0 equal to 0, 2K, K into 1, K into 2, 2K, and -K. It is the scalar multiplication of the matrix. Now similarly, we can find the negative of the matrix. If any matrix is multiplied with -1, then the matrix gets negative of the matrix. Suppose that A is a matrix. Second, it is negative of the matrix. If any matrix is given, if -1 is multiplied by any matrix, then the matrix gets negative. Suppose that a given matrix A, which elements are 7, -2 and 5, 2, 1, 3 and the next row 3, 0 and 3. If it is a matrix, means it is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, and we have to find the negative of the matrix A. Find negative of matrix A. For exist the negative of the matrix A, we have to multiply the matrix by -1. Therefore, -1 into A can exist, then -1 is multiplied with all elements of the matrix. by multiplication by -1 is equal to -1 is multiplied by 7 is -7. -1 is multiplied with -2, then 2, and similarly -5. In the second row, -2, -1, and -3. In the third row, -3, 0, and 3. And that is the matrix, and this is negative of matrix A. Now we discuss some properties of the addition of the matrix. We know that some algebraic properties is commutative properties, means commutativity, associativity. All our students know about this property from the previous classes. Now the properties first. Properties of addition of the matrix. The matrix obeys the commutative law. Matrix addition. Matrix addition. Addition obeys commutative law. Means two matrices are given. Suppose that matrix A and B are two matrices or two matrices. Then A plus B matrices of same order. Then A plus B will be equal to B plus A. It is commutative law. We know that from algebra. The two algebraic quantities x and y are given. Then x plus y is equal to y plus x, and it is law of commutativity. If it is commutative law, it is true for any matrix. Means matrix addition is commutative. And according to that, the A plus B will be equal to B plus A, where A and B are two matrices of same orders. Now second, associative law. Matrix addition is associative. Check the associativity or know the associativity. We have to take three matrices. Suppose that three matrices are given of the same order, means three matrices have same order. Suppose that matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C are three matrices. Three matrices of same order. These are three matrices of same order. Therefore, according to law of associativity, the matrix A plus B bracket is plus matrix C. It is equal to matrix A plus matrix B plus C whole. It is the law of associativity. If a matrix of any order is given and a null matrix is also given of the same order of the previous matrix, then we can add the matrix with zero matrix, means null matrix, and the matrix gets the previous matrix. Suppose that if A is a matrix, A is a matrix of any order, and 0 is a null matrix of order of the matrix of order of the of same order of the matrix A. Then matrix A plus 0 is equal to this matrix A plus null matrix is equal to null matrix plus A, and it is also equal to A. Now, our students are ready to solve some examples or solve some problem. Now, we see about some problem. Here is given a problem in which the two matrices A and B are given. By observation, these two matrices, the both matrices have same order. The matrix A have order 2 by 3 and the matrix B have also order 2 by 3. The elements of matrix A in the first row 2, 3, 5, in the second row minus 1, 0, 4, and the elements of B in the first row 4, minus 2, 3, and 2, 6, minus 1. We have to verify A plus B equal to B plus A. Means we have to verify the commutativity of these matrices. Now, resolve the LHS, this left hand side. LHS. The matrix are given 2, 3, 5, and minus 1, 0, 4. Plus matrix B is given 4, minus 2, 3, and 2, 6, minus 1. Both matrices are of same orders, then we can add this or addition of these matrices. Now we have to add the corresponding elements of the matrices. 2 can be added with 4, means 2 plus 4, 3 plus minus 2, 5 plus 3, and minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 6, and 4 plus minus 1. It is equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 3 minus 2, and 8, minus 1 plus 2 means 1, 6, and 4 minus 1. It is also equal to 6, 1, 8, and 1, 6, and 3. Now we have to find LHS. RHS. In RHS, matrix B and matrix A can be shown. This matrix B plus A can be found. Similarly, as matrix A plus B. First of all, we write the matrix B 4, minus 2, and 3. 2, 6, and minus 1 plus matrix A 2, 3, and 5, minus 1, 0, and 4. According to addition of the matrices, 4 can be added with 2, minus 2 is added with 3, and 3 is added with 5, 2 plus minus 1, 6 plus 0, and minus 1 plus 4. Its addition is 6 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1, 8, 4, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 6, and minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. We observe that the value of LHS and RHS are same. Hence, we can write that LHS is equal to RHS. Now, we verified this relation, means we verified the commutativity of the two matrices. And LHS is equal to RHS, therefore A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is all verified. the second question. There are three matrices are given, matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. The order of matrix A equal to 3 by 2, order of B equal to also 3 by 2, and C, order of C equal to also 3 by 2. Means that all matrices are of the same order, and we have to verify the ratio A plus B whole plus C. It is equal to A plus B plus C whole. We have to LHS. For LHS, we have to find the sum of the matrices which is right in the bracket. In A plus B is equal to matrix A and matrix B can be summed, and the sum of the matrix A and matrix B is 1 minus 2 I 4 and 3 0, and plus B 3 1 0 2 minus 3 5. Its summation is 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 1 5 plus 0 and 4 plus 2 3 plus minus 3 0 plus 5. It is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 5 plus 0 5 4 plus 2 6 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and it is 5. Therefore, now can exist the value of LHS. LHS is given as A plus B whole plus C. It is equal to 4 minus 1 is the value of A plus B is equal to 4 minus 1 and 5 6, and the third row is 0 5. We have to add the matrix C in this matrix. C given as minus 4 3 minus 2 2 1 and 6. By addition, we can adjust the value of LHS 4 plus minus 4, minus 1 plus 3, 5 plus minus 2 and 6 plus 2, 0 plus 1 and 5 plus 6. It is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 1 plus 3, 2. 5 minus 2, it is also 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 plus 3, 6 is equal to 11. Now we have to reduce the value of RHS. RHS, first of all, we have to find the summation of addition of B plus C. Now, the sum of matrix B plus C, it is equal to 3 1 0 2 and minus 3 5 plus C is minus 4 3 minus 2 2 and 1 6. It is equal to 3 plus minus 4 1 plus 3 0 plus minus 2 and 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 and 5 plus 6. It is equal to 3 minus 4 2 minus 1 1 plus 3 4 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2 2 plus 2 4 and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 and it is 11. It is plus C. Therefore, LHS and exist by addition of matrix A plus B plus C whole. The value of matrix A is matrix A at 1 minus 2 5 and 4 and 3 0 plus matrix B plus C minus 1 4 minus 2 4 and minus 2, 11. Its sum is 1 plus minus 1 minus 2 plus 4, 5 plus minus 2 and 4 plus 4 and 3 plus minus 2 and 0 plus 11. 1 minus 180 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 4 it is equal to 2. 5 plus minus 2 equal to 3. And 4 plus 4 it is equal to 8. And 3 minus 2, 1. And it is 11. By observing the value of LHS and RHS, both matrices are equal. Hence, we can say that the LHS, sorry, this is RHS. The matrix gets in RHS and the matrix gets in LHS. It is equal and they are equal. Hence, we can say that the LHS and the RHS is equal. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS, and hence we can also say that matrix A plus B whole plus C is equal to matrix A plus B plus C